We are at Natural Bridge State Park in Virginia. What city? Do you remember?
Oh, around Natural Bridge.
Okay. Bruce says around Natural Bridge. Wonder why? Think it could be that there's a natural bridge. It's been here, well, basically forever. But George Washington actually surveyed this bridge when he was a young man. It's cool down here. This is now a state park, and they have a shuttle to bring you down so you don't have to go down the 137 steps, which in my ball game, that's a good deal. Here's an even closer view. And there's Bruce. You can get an idea of the height of this natural bridge. And it's hard to believe that this gentle water right here could have carved that out. This bridge is 215 feet tall, 40 to 50 feet thick, has a 100-foot span, and is 90 feet wide. And as they say out west, in Arches, if you hear a cracking sound, run for your life. After George Washington surveyed Natural Bridge, along with Peter Jefferson, stories were taken back to Peter Jefferson's nephew, Thomas Jefferson. Jefferson heard about the Natural Bridge. He visited when he was in his 20s and purchased it from King George III in 1774. He bought 57 acres, including the bridge, for 20 shillings. At his death, this was sold to cover his massive debts. The survey done by George Washington provided the first measurements of the Natural Bridge. It is 215 feet tall, 40 to 50 feet thick, has a 100-foot span, and is 90 feet wide.